Okay, this is my aunt's 2.5 ton Carrier WeatherMaker 9200 high efficiency gas fired furnace. It's from 1995. It was installed in the beginning of '96 and it was manufactured in 1995. It's 92% efficient. I redid this condensate drain, the armor flex on her lines. And I wrote like this is combustion supply and that's combustion return because there's a concentric on the outside. So I just labeled them. This is exhaust and that's combustion return. So yeah, I redid this condensate drain. Did it into that little whatchamacallit. There's a 40-gallon ream gas water heater. It's 40,000 BTUs from 1998, and there's her piece of junk Kenmore dryer and really good Kenmore washer. Anyhow, yeah, I redid the armor flex on them too. Oh, she has to change that. Oh, that's nasty. 16 by 20 filter. Ew. Oh my God. That's seriously sickening. It's 16 by 25. That seems pretty big for this system, particularly because it's only a 2.5 ton unit. That's small. And this is a 75,000 BTU gas furnace. Nope, it's 80,000 BTUs. The condenser's a 2.5 ton. I'll take a picture of that in a minute, but yeah. Hey, got it all put back together. Furnace was installed January 18th, 1996. This is an old house built in the 20s, and it does not have a whole house return. It only has 2 return grills, just 2 large in the floor return grills because this house was built in the 20s. Has a nice A coil in there because I've taken that apart as well. Nice A coil. Ooh, tapped off supply. I'm not sure. I think that the 1989 Carrier condenser is the first central air system in this house. I'm not sure, but yep. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Over and out. Here's the Carrier gas furnace running. As you can tell, it's very noisy. It's just fired. I'll be back. Okay, the blower's not yet on. There's the supply in the finished basement. This is a small house. It's a 2-story, but it's very small. WeatherMaker 9200. I had to go catch that flue pipe running because I know some of you like to see that stuff. There's the piece of crap dryer and the good Kenmore washer. 92.0 AFUE, which is pretty efficient by that day's standard. And the blower sounds like crap when it starts up. Here we are. Oh, that's a nasty. There you go. And it's even noisier when that blower's on. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.